Okay, I found the UFO. This is what took David. Wait, is that him? Where'd he go? Oh, it's moving. The bottom hatch is opening up. Oh my goodness, there's a ladder coming down. Okay, I'm gonna try and get closer. Someone's coming out, someone's coming out. What? David? Hey!
Hey, dude.
Oh, what happened to you?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, I got abducted, and it's pretty nice out there, so I just spent the night there.
Wow.
You want to see it?
Yes. Dude, show me. Let's go.
Come.
This ladder is next level, holy.
Yeah, well, you know, you need a way for the humans to get up. Less energy intensive than the beam.
Right, of course,
They also
yeah.
have the beam, but follow me.
Any aliens or not?
Well, they've long left.
Oh, okay.
They don't actually need spaceships. They teleport. This is for us, really. Watch your head over here.
Okay. I see a lot of wood. I didn't really expect there to be any wood in this UFO.
Well, you know, the planet these aliens are from has a lot of wood.
Okay.
So that's why they chose Earth, really.
Oh, yes. Okay, I'll come up.
Come on.
It was at that moment I knew. This video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. So you might have already heard that Raid Shadow Legends is a world of epic fantasy that's available for both mobile and PC. But what I want to highlight to you guys is just how fun this game actually is to play. So the mechanics of the game start out simple enough, but take one look at the lobby and you'll see there's plenty for you to explore. Let's go to the portal and we're going to use some shards to summon some new heroes. Dun, dun, dun. What? This guy's actually perfect since my main hero right now is an orc. Shard number 2, Metal Shaper. I might just use him to level up one of my other heroes. We'll see. Let's open our third and final shard. Oh ho ho. I mean, you gotta admit, the graphics are pretty good. As you continue to collect heroes and build your team, your sense of ownership over those characters and your strategy is going to grow. And when you're ready, you'll have the entire raid community to compete against in tournaments to win rewards and rare artifacts. This is a world you're going to enjoy living in, so I recommend you checking it out. My name in the game is Finn Flynn, and if you are quick enough, you'll be able to join my clan. Click on our unique links in the description, and if you're a new player, you'll get a bunch of amazing rewards to get you started, including the Champion Executioner. All that treasure will be waiting for you right here, and I'll see you there. Now back to the video.
Wash your head.
Ow. All right.
I can get you.
Oh, well, that was painful. Okay, well, here we are.
Welcome. This is it.
Wow.
I'll close this up.
This
can be a hazard.
Oh yes, this looks very dangerous.
This alien technology, they call it, I believe, hydraulics. I think it was.
Whoa, hydraulics.
Yeah, very high tech. I have no idea how it works.
It's a little slow, maybe. Boom.
We're now floating in a spaceship. And now we have plenty of space to walk around.
Wow.
If you have a code, you can put it right here.
All right.
These are my codes. So yeah, where to even start? On the last tour, we finished by showing you the bathroom. This time I say, let's tease them no longer. Let's show them how you poop in a spaceship.
All right.
Welcome. This is Cinderella. If you saw the last video, you might be familiar with this guy. This thing incinerates your poops.
Wow, dude, this is some futuristic technology.
So this is a step-by-step guide. If you're not familiar, earlier the aliens were kind enough to provide a guide. This is again alien technology, high tech.
Of course. Okay, let me know how it works.
Do you want me to step-by-step thing?
Step by step.
Okay, so step-by-step. I'll wash my hands afterwards.
Yes, okay.
So, got these, right?
Well, that's pretty high tech looking, I'll be honest.
You get one of these. These are, of course, water resistant.
Water and, you know, other
And
liquids resistant.
other waste resistant. And you put it right here, right?
Ah, yes.
Close the lid, do your business, set this down, click start, and a multidimensional orifice appears that swallows
Whoa.
the
You know, what have you.
waste. and incinerates it.
Wow.
And this is how the aliens wash their hands.
Whoa, that's
There's
pretty high tech.
gravitational forces are in play here. There's no running water in a spaceship because obviously.
Of course. This is a pretty nice little bathroom, even complete with a porthole window. Whoa, a little window into space.
Because when you poop, you want to be able to see the stars.
At night, that's probably gonna be pretty sick.
Another thing, I know you might be wondering, what do aliens use, iOS or Android? Today we can answer this question.
What is the answer?
It's Android.
No way!
Samsung tablets. This is the alien check-in.
Yeah, I mean, I'll be honest, this looks like a really old Samsung tablet.
Yeah, I mean, I was also disappointed. Maybe they know something they don't know. Maybe this is as far as they go. Maybe if you go past this stage, your civilization is, you know, it's over. Maybe the iPad Pro is what brings the Armageddon. I rather stick to their wisdom when it comes to this.
Okay.
We also have a TV connected.
Yes.
If you move the luggage,
yes.
you can see an Xbox. We got a bunch of space-themed.
Whoa, included
games.
with our stay. All right.
Planet 51.
Wait, let me get a better angle here.
Star Wars 3. Oh, this guy started to get emotional over here. The Force Awakens. Oh, they really cry when they see
Wow.
this one.
Of course, yes. We've seen the bathroom, we've seen some entertainment systems. How do aliens sleep? That's my question. Does that just get a little couch here? Or?
These doubles, again, alien technology, as a couch and a bed.
Oh, nice.
So in the day, it can be lounging about.
Mm-hmm.
It also moves a lot because, again, there's nothing holding these.
There's
other than
nothing holding it up.
Gravitational metal
wires, cables.
wire. There's pillows here.
Nice
There's a
little
lot
bedding.
of beds here.
Yes.
Again, a space theme. This is their home planet right here. This is our solar system.
I don't know why, but I'm seeing a very 70s inspired, you know, aesthetic going on here.
That's our favorite decade. Every decade we think we got it going on.
Yeah. No.
You might remember then on the cube there was a lot of wood. Tree colors. I might have mentioned it once or twice. Here,
Yes.
you get what they call. What is this material thing?
Felt.
Felt?
Felt, yeah.
Felt. The whole spaceship interior is
Wow.
just adorned by this. Another bed
Another
here.
little bed, cute.
And the larger bed for the larger humans.
Whoa.
Galaxy theme with the stars. Big humans, little humans.
It looks like you could sleep quite a few humans in here. They really jam-pack them. For how small this, you know, spacecraft is, I would say a good use of space.
If something defines the places around here is good use of space.
Yes, good use of space. Okay,
You got it, you got it. Now, even more alien technology.
All right. Oh! Wow, that's way more impressive than I expected, actually.
This is how it looks when you're traveling through through space. At what point do we quit this?
Yeah, it's really like
It doesn't get annoying.
At what point do we stop pretending that this is a real alien spaceship and
Never.
wait, got come on, just... Okay.
So aliens being big fans of space exploration, of course they're gonna be big fans of Apollo 11 and its crew.
Wait, I actually don't recognize any of these people.
So that's Neil Armstrong, what's his name? Alderan. No, that's
I didn't go to school. I don't know any of these things. Anyway.
greatest explorers in human history. Who cares? We got water, coffee, whatever you might need. Careful.
Whoops. Wait, I feel a little bit nervous. Should I not step on this? Like, I'm a little scared walking around here. Like, is that...
It's perfectly safe.
Okay.
We got snacks.
Oh,
I
yes.
actually brought these, but these came with the spaceship.
Ah, nice little
bit of
wine. And a mini fridge. Oh, and of course, one of the most important features, a fire extinguisher.
They're working on the SpaceX. And we have a Mountain Dew.
Oh, yes.
It's beamed up as well.
Can I crack one of these open? Do you mind?
I will join you.
I have never had an alien Red Bull before. I didn't realize they even had
This
Red
is
Bull.
actually human.
Oh.
They beamed it up for us.
Oh, perfect. Well, cheers. On with the tour.
All right, so.
What else?
That's
What else?
pretty much it.
Is that it? Is that all? Is that everything? Have we covered it all? Feels weird that we're actually up high. Like, look.
Wow.
All right, well, that's the UFO. This is where we'll be spending the night tonight. There's also a sauna that we're gonna be checking out that we actually, you know, didn't get to yet. And we have also a dinner tonight at 6 o'clock. Also, whoa, you feel something moving? Wait, can I move it? Just like...
Yes, you can.
Oh,
Let's not.
That's terrifying.
Oh no, he's in a trance. This happened before. Guys, it's okay.
I'm being beamed up.
Well, this is when the pros start going on.
All right, well, this is a pretty nice little space where we'll be spending the night here. Do it. Let's do it.
robes, you get flip-flops, you
Yes.
get a...
What is this?
This is a sauna. Have number one, a barrel, which is actually a shower.
We have towels.
And you get it for 2 hours, but for yourself.
Ah, yes. This sauna occupied. Hello.
You got a fireplace, a fridge. with some
Oh wow, look what we got.
beverages.
All kinds of different wines and beer. Is that included or do we have to pay extra for
You
that?
pay for that. Most things, you pay extra.
Yes.
This, you pay extra. You pay per person.
What is this? Ooh, we'll have to blur that. Oh, it's a guest book.
I am very cold, it says. All right, how to use the jacuzzi bath.
Let's see. Back to our alien home. It's so funny. All right. Put the ladder down, David. Back to our hotel room. How did we end up here, David?
I have no answer to that.